Today I am going to teach chemical kinetics chapter, and in that topic molecularity. Okay, so concept order is completed now. So order is sum of powers of concentration terms of all the reactants which are present in rate equation or rate law. So that is order. Another concept is molecularity. So coming to molecularity, this is number of ions, atoms or molecules which are take part in rate determining step. So that is called molecularity. Okay. So what is rate determining step? First let us know about the rate determining step. Okay. So rate determining step that is present in a reaction mechanism. Okay. So reaction mechanism, that is sequence of elementary steps. Reaction mechanism contains a sequence of elementary steps. Okay. So in that, one of the step is slowest step, that is called rate determining step. Okay. So molecularity. So molecularity is number of atoms, ions or molecules take part in rate determining step is called molecularity of the reaction. Okay. For example, a reaction mechanism is there. Okay. So reaction mechanism is, that is it contains a sequence of elementary reactions. For example, first A is the reactant. Okay. So A forms products. Okay. So formation of products from A, it involves 3 elementary steps. Okay. So A to B, B to C, C to finally products. Okay. So A to B rate constant is K1, B to C rate constant is K2, C to final products rate constant is K3. So this is reaction mechanism. Okay. So in this reaction, one of these step takes place in slowest manner. Okay. So that slowest step is nothing but rate determining step. Okay. So A to B, this is first step. B to C, this is second step. C to products, this is final step. For example, B to C, this is the slowest step. Okay. And this step is called rate determining step. Okay. This step is rate determining step. So number of atoms, ions or molecules present in this step, that is molecularity of the reaction. So in rate determining step, B gives C. Okay. So only one atom is there. So molecularity is 1 for this reaction. Okay. So molecularity of the reaction is 1. Whatever the molecules, whatever the number of molecules, atoms or ions which are present in this step, that is indicate by the molecularity. Okay. So this is called rate determining step. So molecularity is number of atoms, ions or molecules which take part in rate determining step. This is called molecularity of the reaction. Okay. And this is generally determined by reaction mechanism. Molecularity is determined by reaction mechanism. So, reaction mechanism involves many elementary steps. Okay. So, what is reaction mechanism? Reaction mechanism is sequence of the elementary steps. Sequence of the elementary steps. Okay, of a chemical reaction. Is called reaction mechanism. Okay. So generally molecularity is determined by reaction mechanism. Whereas order is determined by experimentally. Okay, that is the difference between order and molecularity. Order is determined through experiments. Okay. But here molecularity is determined by reaction mechanism. Okay. And molecularity is limited up to 3. Okay. So reactions basing upon the molecularity, reactions may be unimolecular reactions, bimolecular reactions, trimolecular reactions. Okay. So molecularity is limited up to 3. Okay. Whereas order. So order may be 0. Okay. Or fractional. Okay. Or negative. So any order is there. Okay. But here molecularity must be a integer and that is limited up to 3. Okay. So that is the difference again between order and molecularity.